I would enjoy this without the meat. I just like the stock.
Taia Alex asta. Urmează asta. Hello everybody, how are you? Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate a lot. This week it was okay. It's still winter. It's the time when I hibernate more. I'm in the Hobbit house now. I'm thinking to make some fire here. I see in the last couple of weeks their video with rocket stove, it was start to have a lot of views, and I like it, I enjoy it, because I enjoy to make videos like their one, like all the progress about something. Never mind. I like rocket stove, but I don't like to burn the wood. My plan is to make some compost to heat all the house in the next project, to heat all the greenhouse and the house just from the compost. This is my big dream to make. I can make it, you know. It's probably will be more complicated than I thinking, but I will try the best. I will try the best to not burn the woods anymore. I don't have plan in my plans to make all the rocket stove. Probably this was the last one. I'm building 3, one here, one in the greenhouse, and one in my room when I live now. There it was the first one. This is the last one, and I don't know if I'm building another one, because this is the most important, to have the house very isolated. If it's not so isolated, probably I will have some problems with the heatings in the greenhouse this year, because I didn't building yet, but probably I will finish in this year, in the autumn. If you like my videos, please give me a like, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.